Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I mentioned that on the 3-day heat map, there was a notable cluster around 112,900. And shortly after the video went live, that level was reached. The price even touched 113,300 before entering a broader range extending toward 115,700. From there, it faced strong resistance and pulled back below the purple horizontal at 112,000, landing again around the 111,000 level. This zone sits roughly at the midpoint between two major horizontal areas, one near 112,000 and another around 109,300, where Bitcoin has been consolidating since the drop from the all-time high at the end of August. For anyone watching intraday movements, this environment can feel choppy and difficult. Personally, I remain in my long-term positions, waiting for a decisive move above 120,000 to confirm a stronger directional bias. Turning to the heat maps, the one-day view highlights a single zone above the current price, near 114,650. On the 3-day view, two areas stand out. The first is above, around 114,600, which could act as a potential magnet for price. The second sits below, near 108,800, where leveraged positions are building. Because weekends typically bring lower trading activity, there's always the chance that both ranges get tested, sweeping the downside first before moving back toward the upper levels, especially as we head into Monday. Meanwhile, spot Bitcoin ETF flows showed net outflows of about negative $160 million on the 5th of this month. That was led by iShares, with roughly negative $63 million, followed by Grayscale and Bitwise. Despite this, the broader picture still reflects strong institutional involvement overall. Adding to that, Sora Ventures announced it plans to acquire $1 billion worth of Bitcoin within the next 6 months. That marks a significant sign of continued participation from Asian institutions. I'll continue sharing daily updates as these developments unfold. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. If this video provided value, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed. And see you in the next one.